this is Brian Shepard with today's closing print. We've got Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke speaking right now. He's looks like he's knocked the market off, from a retest of the early morning high, mid-morning high, 1832.5. We just were testing 1830 area, 1831, pulled off again. Live comments from Ben seem to be knocking this down a little bit. We did open up at 1829.5, about 2.5 handles higher. We did make that morning high at 32.5, and then we did print 9 handles lower at 1323.30. Again, as I've already mentioned, we sideways to midday grind higher, was able to convert the opening range into some support, but it didn't last as we see it now. The MIM showed 300 million to sell. It's a modest number. I don't think it really had much of an influence. I think what had a lot more influence was, for one, the last of the holiday, the New Year holiday. People are still off. The weather heading to the East Coast is a major factor, we believe. There were the Fed speakers that were scheduled in the afternoon that kept a cap on things early. And the auto sales came out mostly disappointing. And speaking of economic data, Monday we've got factory orders and non-manufacturing ISM. We also have some support areas we're looking at under this 1825 area, 1824. We're looking at 1817 to 1816 area. What we think we've been seeing really is the 2013 tax dodge. I don't know that all these people are, the sellers are committed sellers into immediately going lower without any kind of, backfill to the upside a little bit. Again, we think we're seeing a lot of profit taking going on in the early couple of days of the new year. We'll see how this plays out next week. Have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you on Monday.